Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to introduce the number one trigger point for all the female. Spleen 6. Its name is Jiao, which is where the three channel meets the spleen, liver, and the kidney channels, and that's why it can not only fortify the qi and blood, but also can regulate the emotion and tonify the root of life, which is kidney, and it can also calm the mind and improve the sleeping quality. It's the number one trigger point for all females to do the anti-aging part. Okay, first it can help you do the facelifting, because it can tonify the qi and the blood. If the qi and blood is strong enough, it can reduce the wrinkle, sort of like the facelifting, right? And it can reduce wrinkle, speckles, and you massage it to 9 a.m. for 20 minutes for a month. Then you see the improvement of the skin condition. Okay. Third, it can adjust the blood pressure. You massage it between the 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. when the heart channel on duty for 20 minutes. Then it can help you adjust the blood pressure. If it's high, it reduces it. If it's low, it increases it. Okay. Fourth, it can nourish the uterus and ovaries, as it is the three channel, where the three channel meets liver, spleen, and kidney. Fifth, it can regulate the period, PMS, and menopause. And then the fifth skin condition is closely related to the irregular period. Okay. Spleen 6. The spleen 6 is the biggest nourishing point to regulate qi and blood, improve sexuality, improve the couple relationship, increase the living quality. You massage it between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. When the kidney channel on duty. Okay, and there is definitely a contraindication, which is pregnancy. Pregnant women cannot massage that point because it can cause abortion. Okay, so overall, massage that trigger point 15-20 minutes a day. Then for a month, then you can see bigger improvement in your overall health condition. The skin, reduce the lesion, reduce the wrinkles, improve the living quality, and adjust your blood pressure too. Okay. Regarding the massage method, you can either press on it or rotate on it, or use anything with a round end, like this one, with a pen with a round end, Q-tips, right? And something fancy you can find in your closet or drawers, and yeah, something like this, round end. Then massage it for 15 to 20 minutes a day. Then you'll be surprised about how much you can do to improve your overall condition just by massage that trigger point. And also there is another very handy method to do the anti-aging part. It's the ear. The ear is a reflexology system of the whole body. The earlobes, is represent the head. If you had a headache, you can massage this one. If you you got the sciatic pain, you massage this part. It helps you greatly reduce the sciatic pain. If you can, you know, massage your whole ear 5 minutes each morning until it become very pinky like this, okay? Then it's like you're massaging the whole body to keep yourself stay strong. Another thing that can help you do the anti-aging part is singing the operas, Italian operas. If you don't know the word, don't know how to pronounce the word, it doesn't matter. You can pretend to you know, follow the tunes, you know, melodies. Just sing out loud, like oh, la, 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 things like that. Thank you, and that's all for today. If you like it, you know, click the like, thumb up, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.